So the topic of our case study is striking for benefits. The case study is explaining about the grocery workers in Southern California. They are putting a strike against the supermarket chain in the California. So we are explaining the case study analysis and providing some kind of solutions regarding these problems that happen in this case study. So let's get started.
And content and the union leader of the labor and representing the labor issues. We are against the supermarket chain because of we are not open to the new contract. Specifically in healthcare insurance, it not open to us. So we want to consider our issues. Now,
Anthony, a new employee who joined the work 3 weeks before. The contract which is assigned for me, that is not enough for me because the perspective of executive employees for in the point of us, they are giving $10 per week. We are not enough to manage the health of care. That is my point.
in the same time, it's not only affecting the new employee. In future, it also affect the existing employee. So we want to consider the point.
And as the strike is fully based on their benefits regarding salaries and the insurance they have claimed, as the existing employees have been contract is fully based on some other perfection. The main perfection here is the existing employees fully having a good health care and they need not be suffering a lot. But a new employee's contract is fully differs from this. As you also know, as you are not you has been prepared that. So we need to speak about this before this issue is going to be a larger thing. So do this consideration and make the operations in a full flow to make profit for this organization.
Coming to the point of union leader and the new employees and operation managers, their crisis inquiries. What is the solution for this problem? Now, do you have any solution? And not their crisis inquiries. Our company working employees, nearly 70,000 employees were striking. Overall countries also watching these strikes. Now, do you have any solution for this?
So first of all, I heard about all the problems regarding our employees. So there are two kind of problems they are facing till right now. One is the problem related to the benefit right now, and the other problem is the health insurance policy problem also. So first of all, I need to suggest implement a new kind of program into our organization, which means a QWL program. QWL program is Quality of Work Life program, which means which means the program that is boost the employees in all way. So the main elements that I including in this QWL program is open communications of employees and providing some kind of rewards, equitable reward systems. If any kind of employees is working more hours, so providing that employee for more rewards or benefits, and some kind of security related their work conditions and proper working condition, and try to engaging and participating the decision making process of our organizations also. So these all are the elements that are included in the QWL program. So I think the existing employee and new employee are okay with this program.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we all have done these kinds of programs in our organization in order to rectify the problem based on the employees and in order to improve the satisfaction of your jobs also. So a well-satisfied job and employee is the main thing and the pillar of our organization. So this will improve the cooperation of labor management also. So I need to suggest this kind of program into our company. And the second thing is I need to provide, if any kind of illness or diseases that caused by any of employees in our organization, I need to provide advanced treatment to that particular employee. So these all are the solutions I need to implement right now for rectifying these problems regarding in our organization. So any other further clarifications or any other suggestions regarding this implementation, regarding this new plan from me?
Another thing, we need to be improving more health insurance schemes for laborers in our
Yeah, that's the
organization.
thing also I'm planning.
So we can make use of orientation programs too, and also another thing
Yeah,
is
I
we can
also
have an
implement
hospital.
orientation programs and orientation induction programs for especially for new employees because they are new in our organization, so they need to very well aware about all the process and policies and procedures of our organization. So I also providing that kind of programs specifically for new employees in our organization.
As
And
we,
cumulative-
as also we have 30,000 employees here. If that has been a large number of acquisition to our organization, we can also decrease people's pool. As operations has been effectively working for the demand and supply in the economy, so we can reduce the people as sufficient as enough. So you can also consider that. I will be helping in that part. And another thing is hospitality. The main thing is hospitality. You can have a doctor here itself, as he can come and check employees a week or once or twice, and he can offer some medicines, and we can have that as a free of cost towards their employees. This is what something which we need to try again. So the thing which you also said is it's relevant and happy for employees and me too. So we need to look on this also. So I need to tell this. Okay.
I consider all these problems from here, from both. Greetings to one another present here. As per the meeting that conducted yesterday, we all find some solutions and other rectifications regarding our problem that happening in our organization. So I need to concern, as a HR head of this organization, I need to concern mainly the problem that faced by our employees. So I need to let's discuss with our legal advisor.
Okay.
Greetings, ma'am. I am agreeing with your problem that you are facing right now. As a non-owner of the company, I need to concern such kind of incidents in our company. I know this strike is legal. Striking is an forced stoppage of the body of workers to enforce complaints with demands made on a temporary stoppage of activities in protest against an act or condition. According to minimum wages of Act 1948, fixing of minimum rates of wages for employees, benefits of minimum wages. While some criticize of minimum wage, argue that the law harms workers and interfaces with business development, advocates point to several advantages including protection of workers, improving the economy and motivating employees to higher standard of performance. Benefits for health insurance that coverage against critical illness and cashless line benefits. Ma'am, do you agree everything which I am told?
Yes, I agree. So I need to ask my subordinates, is there any kind of clarifications or suggestions regarding the policies and new kind of implementation upcoming into our organization? Is there any?
Do you have any problem? Is the
Yes,
agreement
sir.
is
No,
valid?
no.
No, there is no problem. I'm very happy to consider our issues to take care. So thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Is any other clarification you needed? Means you can come and
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Any other clarification or any other demands, I will surely approach you.
Okay.
Okay. And we can conclude this by.
Of orientation regarding employees and 3 days working days and the solution of quality of work life and advanced treatment for rectifying the diseases or illness caused by the employees. Are you all okay? Agree with this solution?
Yeah, let's be.
Yeah, we are agree.
Okay, so based on our today's meeting, our legal advisor explained some kind of policies and procedures regarding the rectification of our problems related to the benefits and health insurance policies. So all I should consider, the 2 days of meetings are held and winding up based on the providing some kind of solutions. So the meeting is adjourned.